Hey, how are you guys? My name is Josh Deleon. I cut out of Tampa, Florida at the American Dream Barbershop. Today I'll be doing a mid-skin fade with a pompadour. First step, I'll be setting my initial guideline in with my clipper closed, gently flicking out as I reach the top of the line. The next step will be setting in your bald line using the trimmer, going just underneath the line that you created with the clipper closed. Again, gently flicking out. The next step would be to take your shaver and to go just under the trimmer and establish the bald line. So your next step would be to open your lever all the way and go up about a ½ inch. And after you close to about a half lever, and just lightly clean up under. The next step, I'll be debulking in this area with a number 3, just to eliminate weight and to make it easier to fade. Just lightly flicking it out. After debulking with the number 3, you'll go in with your number 2 open and just follow just underneath your 3 line. After your number 2, you'll take your number 1 open and continue to fade down. So after you clean up with the number 1, you'll go in with your half guard and you'll just lightly work out the last remaining bit of the line. With this step, you'll be adjusting your lever from open to close and in between. So now that the general fade is done, we're going to be going and blending the number 3 into the hair up top. We're going to be achieving that with clipper over comb. Now that the fade's done and the blending is done, I'm going to go through with my thinning shears and just touch any darker spots in here or any weight lines that I have. When blending the beard, I'll take a number 1 open and I'll go with the grain of the hair just to smooth it down. Make sure there's nothing sticking out. I'll close it. Keep doing it in the temple area to again smooth, take out any of the darkness or weight. Now that that's done, I'll open it back up and begin fading. I'll go open, I'll go closed, open with no guard, and just lightly tap it and clean it up. Close it again, about halfway, and continue to fade up. So here, after I wet the hair, I'm going to be sectioning almost a mohawk section down the center to establish my guideline. And then we'll follow that guideline through the rest of the haircut. And then I'll take this next section and combine it with the previous section that I cut, following that guideline. Always remember to keep tension on the hair when cutting. And again, I'll go and take the next section. Continuing to follow my guideline. Again, continuing your initial guideline. Following your initial guideline. Here what I'm going to be doing is just going back and detailing any little thing that I see, any dark spots, any weight lines, just to achieve a cleaner look at the end. Outline his hairline and also his beard, keeping everything as natural as possible. Now I'll be applying the onshore sea salt spray to help get the desired style. Now I'll be applying the light clay for a firm and flexible hold and a matte finish. Thank you guys again for tuning into today's video. Remember to like and subscribe, and also click the link in the details below for all the products used in today's video.